Most people think building a professional website takes weeks. But with Microsoft PowerPages, I'll create one in minutes and you'll see it happen right here. Hey everyone, my name is Abhay and as a Microsoft employee, I've been exploring how PowerPages and Copilot make website creation faster and easier. In this video, I'll walk you through what is PowerPages, how to activate your free trial, and show you real-world prompts to create and refine a website using Copilot. A quick note, you'll need a Microsoft 365 work or a school account to activate the trial and access PowerPages. So first, what exactly is PowerPages? Think of the traditional way of building websites. You'd need to hire a developer, spend weeks designing layouts, and worry about coding and security. But PowerPages flips that on its head. It's Microsoft's low-code website builder designed so that anyone, whether you're technical or not, can create professional, secure websites. With PowerPages, you don't just drag and drop. You can also use Copilot, an AI assistant that helps you generate pages, layouts, text, and forms. And because it's part of the Microsoft ecosystem, you get the enterprise-level security and seamless connections with tools like Dataverse, etc. In short, PowerPages lets you build in hours what used to take weeks. Alright, let's get started. To try PowerPages, just head over to powerpages.microsoft.com. On the home page, you will see a button that says Start Free Trial. Just click on that. From there, you will be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account. Remember, this must be a Microsoft 365 work or a school account. If you don't already have one, you can create it quickly. Once you're signed in, you'll enter some basic details like your name, email, org, and that's it. Within a few minutes, Microsoft sets up the PowerPages environment for you, and you will then land inside the PowerPages studio. This is exactly where you can start designing your first website from scratch. Alright, now let us create an actual website using PowerPages. Imagine we are building a site for an NGO called Cyber Justice Foundation, an organization focused on supporting victims of cyber fraud and protecting consumers from unfair corporate practices. Inside the PowerPages studio, Copilot asks what kind of website I want to create, and instead of one long detailed prompt, the new experience accepts short 2 sentences that evolve the design step by step. My first prompt will be create a professional NGO website called Cyber Justice Foundation. Include a homepage and subpage that help visitors learn and take action. After that, I'll just hit enter and let Copilot create a high-level view of the website. And here it is. Copilot generates a high-level site structure with homepage and a few basic navigation items. Now, let us refine it with another short prompt. Add pages for reporting grievances, viewing legal judgments, and accessing government complaint links. Copilot expands navigation, creating the new sections with placeholder content. Up next, let's refine it. Include 2 more dedicated pages, one for becoming a member and one for legal professionals and law interns. The structure now reflects clear audience-specific pathways. Another enhancement, add a donate page with strong call to action elements throughout the site. With each prompt, the site is becoming more complete. And now let us improve the homepage. Add a video section for cyber awareness campaigns. Highlight our mission to support cyber fraud victims and protect consumer rights at the top of the page. Copilot updates the layout with a clean featured video area and bold messaging about the fold. Final refinement, on the donate page, include a space for QR code payment and secure contribution instructions. Ensure that all pages include links to grievances form and donation page. Within a few short iterations, the NGO site is fully structured and ready. You can see all the relevant sections right from grievances, learning from resources, contributing to the cause, etc. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we have been going from scratch to a complete website. The site has everything. Grievances forms, government resources, membership options, opportunities for professionals and students, and even a donation portal. What used to take weeks of development can now be built in hours and refined in real time with AI. That's the power of Copilot in PowerPages. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.